entertain problems. You were the school of thought of bring your solutions alongside your issues. You were not bossy and loved delegation of duty. You made your intentions clear to us. You were an action man. The late Dr. Omane Boamah was such a great leader with the kind of qualities no words on earth can describe. Such a manner of man who was a role model, selfless, diplomatic, reverent, gentle, subtle, kind-hearted, and on and on. What a great shock that laid its icy hands on you. Your plans for the country have all been shattered. Rest in peace. Demnifadri Yawo Ujuba. Dr. Edward Omane Boamah embodied the essence of true leadership, kind, humble, and ever smiling. He made everyone feel valued and heard. His deep respect for civil servants and dedication to uplifting their voices in a military-dominated space showcased his unwavering commitment to fairness and inclusivity.